In today's video, I'll show you how to create redirects in Cloudflare so you can automatically send visitors from one URL to another. If you're new to redirects, they're useful when you've changed a page address, moved your website, or want visitors to land on a different page without seeing an error. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Then select the domain where you want to create a redirect. Next, open the Rules section from the left-hand menu. Depending on the features available in your account, choose the option for creating URL redirects or redirect rules. Now click Create Rule or Add Redirect to start a new redirect. Enter the source URL, which is the address visitors will type or open. Then enter the destination URL, where you want them to be redirected. After that, choose the redirect type. A permanent redirect is typically used when a page has moved permanently, while a temporary redirect is better for short-term changes. Review the rule to make sure both URLs are entered correctly and that the redirect type matches your intended use. Save the redirect rule and allow Cloudflare a few moments to apply the changes. Once it's active, open the original URL in your browser to confirm that it automatically redirects to the new destination. If the redirect doesn't work as expected, check for typing mistakes, conflicting rules, or cached browser data before testing again. And that's how you create redirects in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.